Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need 2 quick checks before you remove extra icons. Know your Android version and what launcher you use, and make a backup so you can restore layouts if needed. Once you've confirmed those, go straight to the home screen and long press the icon you don't want. This exposes contextual options. If you see Remove, Drag to Remove, or App Info, you're ready. Make sure to distinguish shortcuts from apps because removing differs. Proceed now to the removal options shown on screen. Now you'll finish the complex middle steps. If the press reveals Remove or a trash icon, drag the item there to delete the shortcut. This does not uninstall the app. For full app removal, tap App Info and choose Uninstall. If Uninstall is grayed out, choose Disable to hide the app. Once done, open the app drawer and scan for duplicates, then check folders. Sometimes shortcuts persist in folders and must be removed individually. Make sure to reboot if the icon still appears. Finish by rebooting the device. This forces the launcher to refresh and usually clears residual icons. If an icon persists, go to Settings, Apps, find your launcher, and clear cache. This removes stale thumbnails without deleting data. If that still fails, reset Home Preferences or install a temporary launcher to remove stubborn entries, because some OEM launchers cache aggressively. One troubleshooting tip: if icons reappear after updates, clear Google Play services.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.